एक रिस्की काम ये होता है एक किताब का रिव्यू करना जिसको आपने कम से कम 10 साल पहले पढ़ा था। मैं अब 23 का हूँ। आई माइट हैव रेड दिस बुक व्हेन आई वाज 13 और समथिंग। ब्लू माय माइंड। जेम्स पैटरसन एक बहुत ही मशहूर ऑथर है। इनफैक्ट द बैक कवर रीड्स इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट नोन एंड बेस्ट सेलिंग राइटर्स ऑफ ऑल टाइम विद मोर देन 140 million copies of his books sold worldwide, right? This book is called Against Medical Advice, and it's written in co-authorship with Hal Friedman. A true story of one family's struggle with agonizing medical mystery. मैं तुम्हें हिंदी में सिंपल बताता हूँ इसका फंडा क्या है और क्यों मेरी इसको पढ़ के फट गई थी। टूरेट syndrome is the thing where you have involuntary tics in your body. तुम बैठे बैठे कुछ भी कर सकते हो ऐसे, right? Because you're not in control. But as a kid growing up with Tourette syndrome, you really want to get socialized and fit in and have like a normal childhood like other kids. कि मैं समय पे अपना ड्राइवर्स लाइसेंस लूँ, पार्टीज में जाऊँ, पहला बर्थडे, पहली किस, ये सब, राइट? बट देयर इज सो मच स्टैंडिंग इन योर वे बिकॉज वेल योर ब्रेन एंड योर बॉडी आर नॉट इन योर कंट्रोल. Apart from just the social isolation, I cannot even imagine just the nightmarish mind of yourself कि तुम्हें अपने खुद पे भरोसा नहीं है. तुम नॉर्मल भी बैठे हुए हो, तुम इंसेन नहीं हो, तुम्हें बस टिक्स की बीमारी है, तुम इंसेन नहीं हो, और अपने आप ही तुम्हारा हाथ, तुम्हारा बाप गाड़ी चला रहा है, उसके एकदम पे ठोक देता है ऐसे गाड़ी को, because you couldn't control yourself. That's what it is. It's a fuck, man. Like this whole book is just about a kid who's trying to live a normal life with this disease, and he does win in the end. And it's strange how it really shows you what the human body is capable of, medically and otherwise. And a family's struggle to give their son a normal life. And इसमें बड़े अच्छे ऐसे कहानी यार, मतलब we can understand poverty, we can understand treachery, we can understand human emotion spectrum के अंदर, but when your emotions, when your body is not in your control, तुम एकदम नॉर्मल हो सिवाय ऐसे कि तुम्हारा शरीर कभी कुछ कर सकता है. यहाँ से वहाँ अपने आप को चोट मार लोगे, किसी को जाके थप्पड़ मार लोगे, एक नॉन कॉन्टेक्चुअल जगह पे हंसना शुरू कर दोगे. डीलिंग विद दैट, माय गॉड, इट्स अ ग्रेट रीड, वेरी सिंपली रिटन, एंड दिस वाज लाइंग ऑन माय बुक शेल्फ फॉर अ व्हाइल. मेरे वीडियोस में भी आती है, एंड आई फिगर्ड व्हाई नॉट. Look, I just opened chapter 23 and it reads, "The good days are few and far between, and maybe that's why I remember them so vividly. It's late on a Sunday afternoon in the summer before 7th grade. My father and I are in a race against the sun somewhere in the mountains of northeastern Pennsylvania. We've been looking for a lake called Vernon Park, but after what is supposed to be a 2-hour drive turns into a 3.5-hour drive, we're about to give up. The tension is in the car is like electricity flowing all around us. Out of anxiousness, I start to touch the steering wheel again, even though we're going fast. My father doesn't mention it at first, but the next time I reach for the wheel, he can't stop himself. You can't do that, Corey. Do something else. He seems suddenly very annoyed. Even though I realize that this urge seems dangerous to someone who's driving, I have an instant angry reaction to his warning. He knows it will only increase the urge, and he should understand by now that I would never again pull the wheel to one side, as I almost did with Mom right before her accident. His outburst is especially surprising given that my father and I are getting along very well this summer. When I do something silly or dangerous, such as grabbing at the steering wheel or shooting paintballs at our white garage doors, he knows how to handle it. He stays calm and asks me to think about the consequences of my actions, then walks away until I chill out. My mother almost never gets upset with me, no matter what I do. She simply talks to me until I relax. I just wish she'd stop worrying so much. Sometimes I see a sadness in her eyes that makes me think my problems are never going to end, and they might even make her sick. I move once more for the steering wheel, but this time I'm able to stop myself from touching it. Then the need goes away. I still can't believe my father is taking this long road trip with me. He's doing it because he wants to spend some time together, but also because I have nothing to do at home. My few friends have been going to the town pool and having parties and not inviting me. So my father has again taken over as my friend. You know what to do. Get this book. लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब शातिर गुत्ता आउट।